Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you a tutorial on how you can fix the Valorant error code VAN79 while you are playing the Valorant game. So while you are playing the Valorant and you encounter this error, simply quit the Valorant game and we are going to completely close the Valorant in the task manager. So in the Windows search bar, type task mgr. Click on Task Manager under the Best Match. Maximize this. Then here in the list of processes, we need to look for the Riot client or the Valorant. Now simply make a right click, select End Task. Now simply look for More. Now, once you have completely closed the Valorant game from here, then you can also relaunch the game and try to see if the problem has been fixed. Then we also need to check the VGC service if this is running or if it has stopped running. So in the Windows search bar, type services. Click on it under the best match. Now here in the services window, simply scroll down to letter V as these are arranged in alphabetical order. Now once you find VGC, make a right click, select properties. Now here in the VGC properties, make sure the startup type is automatic. Service status, if this is not yet running, click on start. If this is already running, click on stop. Click on start to restart the service. Apply and then OK. And close the services window. Then locate your Valorant desktop icon. Make a right click, select show more options, click on properties. Now the Valorant properties will be up. You have to click on the compatibility tab and here you will find this option, disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and click on OK. Then click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, simply click on Network and Internet. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll find Advanced Network Settings. Under More Settings, you'll find Network Reset. So this will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. Simply click on the Reset Now button. Now before you're going to click on Yes, make sure to remember your Wi-Fi or connection password. Then you have to click on Yes and your PC will be restarted, and right after that, reconnect to the network and then launch the game. We can also run some commands. So in the Windows search bar, type CMD. On the right pane, click on Run as Administrator. Then here you need to type these commands. NATSH space winsock space reset, hit enter. Next command, ipconfig space / flash DNS, hit enter. Now type exit, hit enter. And then restart your Windows. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Now also make sure that your Windows is updated and is on the latest version. So click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, what you have to do, click on Windows Update. Then here you have to simply click this button. So this will check for all the updates on your Windows. And not only that, this will also download and install the latest updates, which is also a very good thing. Now once done, close this. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.